Have you been finding it challenging to import your audio voice in Plotagon Story so that your video could be monetized? That is, when you create a text-to-speech voice, okay, and you are trying to import it onto your Plotagon Story for phone users. I'm actually referring to phone users. All right, so if you are having that difficulties in importing your voice into your Plotagon Story, then this video is actually for you. But before I explain how you go about it, okay, just note you are using your mobile phone, okay, just one phone, you're using your mobile phone to do it, and some app, thus another app in addition. Okay, but before I do that, before I explain how you go about it, I need you to just watch this video that I'm about to show you. All right.
Dear parent, vote of thanks. A very warm and heartfelt thank you to all of you for joining us yesterday and making the event a resounding success. It has been an honor and a pleasure to have you all there, and we are immensely grateful for your presence and participation. First and foremost, we extend our deepest gratitude to God and our esteemed guests of honor for gracing us with their invaluable presence and inspiring words. Your wisdom, experience, and encouragement have been a great source of motivation for all of us.
Okay, now if you want to know how that video was created, it's very simple. It's a simple trick, okay? And the major reason why I'm creating this video was a request from a subscriber of mine. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So our question was, okay, please, there is no import option on my app. How can I bring my voice file to exchange it with the avatar on? Okay, so the major reason why you have to always import your voice file onto onto Plotagon Story is majorly if you want your video to be monetized, okay, on YouTube. Now, I explained in this comprehensive video how to make money with Plotagon, your pathway to financial success. There, I explained how to actually how to make money with Plotagon story. But some viewers, some users are finding it difficult on how to import their video, should I say their audios, okay, created audios onto the Plotagon Story. You walk you to the trick on how to do that. Without further ado, please let's dive into this video. Femtech Animation Studio. For first time viewers, please kindly click on the subscribe button and like my video if you find this video helpful. Also share with your friends, family, and total strangers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Now, before we proceed, this is what I've done so far from the video you watched. Okay, so I just open up my Plotagon Story. Now, this is the text files that I used. Okay, and once you play this, it will speak out the normal Plotagon voice. Let me just play it out so you can listen to it.
Dear parent, vote of thanks.
So you notice that the voice you add now is different from the previous one I showed you initially. Okay, so I will show you what to do. Now, on here, what you need to do once you are done with your write-up, your speech and everything, there are two ways. Just click on this arrow that says, the arrows that shows you where to render. Okay, that is this arrow button that shows you where to render. I'm coming, please. This arrow button. Okay, so once you click on that, then to tell you save the video. Okay, so how do you want to save the video? Without subtitle or with subtitle? Okay, so I make use of subtitles. Okay, you notice that video you watch, you notice some text showing on the screen while the character is talking. But just in case you did not want that, then you can click without subtitles. But for this trick to work well and for you to have an engaging video with your viewers, okay, then you need to make use of this with the subtitles. Okay, so when you click on subtitles, So then start rendering. So why it's being rendered, let me just explain what I did at the back end. By now you should have a audio which you want to make use of, and if you don't have an audio file, you don't know how to do that. So you need to download the audio lab, okay, audio lab from your respective store, play store. Okay, once you download that, then you need another application known as KineMaster or InShot, either of the two, or if you have any other video editing software you are comfortable with, then you can do it as well. You need to watch this video to the end so that you have an idea on how to do that. So please, if you are yet to give me a thumbs up on this video, or you're also yet to subscribe to this video, please and please and please kindly do that now. Okay guys, now you click on this middle button, this one that you could see right away, this one here, this button. So once you click on that button, it will bring out these three options, the aspect ratio. Okay, so since you are using a YouTube, a wider screen, so I use 16:9. Okay, then it gives me this. Okay, so we need to import the video, the audio rather, I mean the video. Okay, so you select media, select media, then you scroll to where it saves it. Just start scrolling and you will see it. So this is it, movie. I think this is the last one I did. Okay, then so if you play it now, you still see it is still the normal Plotagon voice.
Dear parent, vote of thanks, a very warm and heartfelt thank you to all of you.
Okay, now that is that. Okay, but let's see how to import the audio files you have created initially. But please take note, you can also use any other editing softwares, any other editing applications you are comfortable with. Okay, so click on audio, then from the audio click on album, because this is where it saves my own. So it's this second one.
Dear parent,
Then
vote of
select
thanks.
plus. So it starts from the beginning. So once I play both now, you notice that the Plotagon voice and the imported voice are talking together.
Dear parent, vote of thanks, a very warm and heartfelt thank you to all of you for joining us yesterday and making the event a resounding success.
Alright, so what I now did is, or what I prefer to do is, I'll make sure I listen to the Plotagon voice and the audio voice simultaneously. Okay, and see where there is a break. So once there's a break from the Plotagon voice, there's a trick I do, because you notice that the length of the film is 30 seconds, 30.5. Okay, 30 seconds point mini 5 something, mini 5 seconds. Okay, and the audio we have here is about 29. Okay, so it means there's a glitch in between. Okay, so we need to sort that out. So what I now do is just take close attention to what I want to do now.
Dear parent, vote of thanks, a very warm and heartfelt thank you to all of you for joining us yesterday and making the resounding success. It has been an honor and a pleasure to have you all there, and we are immensely grateful for your presence and participation. First and foremost,
so you notice at this junction where it says first and foremost, the audio file, imported audio file at the bottom, does set it before the normal character and before the write-ups comes out. Look at it again.
Presence and participation. First and foremost.
So it means what I need to do now is, Just click on this place.
For your presence and participation.
So this is the participation. So just click on the file, then scroll and see trim or split. Click on it, then select the last one that says split at play head. So it has split the audio file now. So what I need to do now is to try to just drag it a little bit backward and see where the main Plotagon character will say first and foremost. So that I will start it from that place.
Participation. First and foremost, we extend.
Okay, so since I've adjusted it now, so it's more or less look as if it's on that same right spot I adjusted it to. Okay.
Extend our deepest gratitude to God and our esteemed guests of honor for gracing us with their invaluable presence and inspiring words. Your wisdom, experience.
You notice another one again, inspiring words.
Gracing us with their invaluable presence and inspiring words. Your
inspiring words. Okay, so somewhere here need to be cut, split again, split at head, then from there then just drag it a little bit backward and see
presence and inspiring words. Your wisdom, experience and encouragement.
So I think it's still too fast, so let's see.
Your wisdom, experience, and encouragement have been a great source of motivation for all of us.
So you can see it's now synchronized with the audio file. Okay, so where it starts is where it stops. Okay, so that is good. Now the next thing to do now is to kill, that is mute the Plotagon voice. Okay, so just select on the volume again, click on this character on the video you imported, click on it, it will highlight like that, then click on this one that says, that shows speaker. Okay, that's this place that shows you a speaker sign. All right, so once you click on it, then the next thing to do is to click on this button to turn off the speaker. Okay, so by doing so, just click on it to turn it off. So then select OK. So once you select OK like that, then play it now.
Dear parent, vote of thanks. A very warm and heartfelt thank you to all of you for joining us yesterday and making the event a resounding success.
So you can see now it's now synchronized with whatever you want, and that's the way I've been able to achieve that video. Okay, so in order for you to render it, you click on this icon, this one here, click on it. So once you click on it, it will go back. Okay, once it go back, all you need to do again is just click on this place, then select share. That share. So that share simply means you are trying to export it. So I always use a resolution of 1080 by 30 frame. Okay, then do not if you increase the bit rate, it will increase the size of that video. So always decrease it to the lowest to reduce the size. So you select export. So once you select export, then your project starts it begins the process, and once it's done, you have your video in your video folder. So but I won't do that now. So guys, that is it for today. Please if you find this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button, like my video, please share this video with your friends, family and total strangers. Thank you so much. In case you have any other question, please kindly leave your question in the comment section below, and I will try my possible best to create a video on that if necessary. Alright guys, thank you so much once again. Bye for now. One love. Signing out.